feature, making your life much more convenient. We are here for master add-ons at merchant level so that you can define a single add-on category which can be used across multiple products, making your life much easier in day-to-day operations. Fine, this video is an aim to help you with the transition so that there's nothing that confuses you when this goes live. So as you can see right now I'm on the new dashboard, fine, and there's an option called add-ons. When you go inside of a catalog, you see the add-ons option here. How I went here is very simple. I went to restaurant, select one of the restaurants called add-on new. Let me do it for you for the sake of convenience. Fine, I went to the catalog section and fine, you see this new option. Now if I compare this to the old dashboard, this is what it looks like and there's no add-ons option here. So where exactly were you used to adding your add-ons to the product? Well, it was inside of the product. So you had an option to go to a product, click on three dots, click on the add-on option, and then create an add-on. Like you could create a single select add-on and a multi-select add-on based on the kind of things you wanted the customer to select. Fine. Well, now since you had a problem in this current version, you had to create an add-on and then repeat the same process for each product one by one. And let's say you had an add-on with the name of sauce as a title, and then there were sub options available under it like ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard. You had to create it one by one for each product, and that was a big time taking process plus a lot of inconvenience. And let's say you run in a real life scenario when you run out of stock for a particular item, let's say ketchup. You had to go to each product one by one and then delete it. Well, that was very inconvenient, so now we've made it very simple. You create a master add-on, and from here you are able to directly turn it off, make it available, whatever helps your use case. And you'll notice there's no option right now available here in the add-on in the new version. So let's go through this journey. So I clicked on the add-ons option. I got an option to add an add-on. Since it's my first time, there's no available add-on here. You see this new screen which helps you create new add-on. Plus it's designed in a manner to help you navigate easily. So let me take an example and write the word sauces. Have an option of configuring it in different languages. Right now my dashboard is only in English, so I only see a drop down for English. I'll go for a single select add-on and I'll give you an option of, let's say, so this customer, this can select either option 1 or let's say option 2 called mayo. Let me keep the price 10 for this and 10 for this. Plus we've come up with new options of duplicate, so I can simply duplicate ketchup and let's say spicy one, so that saves my time, and I'll mention a different price for this. Plus I have an option of disabling it, deleting it. Previously you did not have an option of disabling it, but now you can even disable it and delete it. So I'll save it. Simple. Now as you see, it's a single select option. If I add another option, let's call it veggies, and give an option of let's say tomatoes, or let's say cabbage, olives. Let's price it at 1. Let's price it at 1. Let's price it at 2. Sake of example, and let's go for multi-select. Now let's save it. All you need to do now on this new dashboard is go to the catalog section. Already you see there's no option to assign it to a product or create it under a product. So where exactly is it? Well, it's available here. So under each product now you're able to select it. You'll see an option to assign a particular add-on to that particular product, and it is simple. You simply need to select the add-on that you created. Once you click on it, you will be able to preview the options which are available, plus the old options of choosing something as default is still available. Plus in case of multi-select, you had an option that a customer could exactly select. So basically you could limit the number of choices a customer could make. Let's limit it to 2 in this case, because choosing one would be single select, right? And let's go for single select sauces, and even I have an option of making a default in this case. So let me make a default for olives in this case, and let's not go for a default for this case. Fine, that is how easy it is. Now you are able to assign previously created add-ons to a particular product. So these act like master catalog feature that we created. It's similarly, we've created master add-ons, and you can create a bunch of add-ons under this category. Now keep on reusing these add-ons for each product by simply assigning it to that particular product, and your life becomes much more simple. In this case, let's say I go to product name 1 and I want to remove this particular add-on. Well, it was never easy. You could simply click here and you will be able to unassign it. Plus, you could go to the assign section once again and make a modification from here and click on save. This gets removed. Similarly, you can go here, you can change your choices. Now, let's say I don't want to make this one the default. I want to go for this one as a default. Fine, that's done. This is how easy it is. Plus these symbols help you know how things work. The plus sign here represents adding it. That cross sign simplifies the process and showcase you that it helps you disable the same. Fine. Now let's say you run in a scenario where you want to go to an add-ons and let's say you ran out of tomatoes while you were in the operation. Simply go for disable and now the tomato option has been disabled. Click on save. Go to your catalog that you created and for each product you'll be able to see these options. See, tomatoes has become disabled or has disabled is no more visible in this category, right? This makes your life much more easier compared to the old time where you had to go to each product one by one, create add-ons, keep on changing languages, type, let's say, pardon me, um, and then if the other product had the exact same thing, there was no option of copy pasting it or anything. You had to go here, create it once again, a, let's say we'll use the same name for convenience. And if I run out of these olives, I had to go to each product one by one, which were visible here. Go to add it, go to next, disable, delete it, save it. Next morning or next time they become available, I had to create it. Plus, you see, I deleted olive here, but it is still existing here. So it was a big waste of time for you. So we have upgraded this feature and made it much more simple. You do it at a single place and it gets done everywhere else. So this is how the master add-on feature works for you guys. This has been made over the panel for the admin dashboard. Plus the same is extended over the CSV as well. Under the add-on section, you'll be able to see it. You'll be able to create add-ons from here, from this particular dedicated section. You'll be able to map these add-ons to a particular product. Plus you will be able to use the combined CSV to assign add-ons, the existing add-ons to your product by choosing the add-on ID against each particular product. Fine. You'll not be able to create new add-ons using the combined CSV. For that, you'll have to go to the add-on section to create new add-ons. Combined can only help you link it, similar to how mapping works. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Keep using Jello. We'll be happy bringing more such features to your platform. Keep sharing your feedback. We appreciate your patience and we'll bring on more and more than what you can even expect. Thank you.